Morelo Grand Empire, a thrilling new series set in a sprawling, futuristic metropolis where power, ambition, and intrigue collide. In this gripping tale, viewers are transported to a world where the ultra-wealthy elite reign supreme, their opulent lifestyles contrasting sharply with the struggles of the marginalized underclass. At the heart of the story is the enigmatic Morelo family, whose vast empire extends its influence across the city, shaping its destiny with every move. But as rivalries ignite and long-buried secrets come to light, the Morelos find themselves entangled in a web of betrayal and danger that threatens to unravel everything they've built. With stunning visuals, complex characters, and a storyline packed with twists and turns, Morelo Grand Empire is poised to become the next must-watch series, offering viewers an immersive journey into a world of wealth, power, and deception. Strap in for the ride of a lifetime as the battle for control unfolds in this epic saga of ambition and survival. NL Exclusive Line Motorhome Scania S650, the epitome of luxury and sophistication in motorhome travel. This extraordinary vehicle combines the power and reliability of Scania with the opulence and comfort of NL Exclusive Line, creating a mobile haven for discerning travelers. Step inside and be enveloped by the sumptuous interiors, meticulously crafted with the finest materials and attention to detail. From the spacious living area to the gourmet kitchen and deluxe sleeping quarters, every aspect of the NL Exclusive Line motorhome exudes elegance and comfort. And with state-of-the-art amenities such as climate control, entertainment systems, and even a rooftop terrace, this motorhome offers a truly unparalleled travel experience. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or exploring remote destinations off the beaten path, the NL Exclusive Line Motorhome Scania S650 ensures that you travel in style and luxury every step of the way. So why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your travel experience with the NL Exclusive Line Motorhome? The experience of camping with a camper truck equipped with a stove in heavy snow. Imagine being in a place where white snow falls heavily and a camper truck that's warm and cozy thanks to a wood stove. This isn't just any camping experience, it's an adventure in a winter wonderland. The camper truck is designed to withstand the harsh winter conditions, providing a safe and comfortable shelter from the snow outside. The wood stove not only provides warmth, but also allows for cooking meals, making the camper truck a self-sufficient unit in the wilderness. So, if you're up for an adventure and love the idea of camping in the snow, a camper truck with a stove might just be what you're looking for. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this unique camping experience. The Furrion Elysium RV. Get ready to hit the road in unparalleled luxury with the Furrion Elysium RV. This groundbreaking recreational vehicle isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a mobile palace on wheels. Step inside and be greeted by a futuristic interior that's straight out of a sci-fi movie, complete with state-of-the-art amenities and cutting-edge technology. From the expansive living space to the deluxe kitchen and luxurious bedroom suite, every inch of the Elysium is designed for comfort and convenience. But that's not all. This RV boasts jaw-dropping features like a rooftop helipad, a hot tub, and even a retractable heliport. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or simply escaping for a weekend getaway, the Furrion Elysium RV offers the ultimate in style, sophistication, and extravagance. So buckle up and prepare to experience the future of travel like never before. Carabane, a marvel of sustainable technology developed by Green Cat Technologies. This self-sufficient caravan harnesses the power of the sun and wind to provide energy. What sets the Carabane apart is its ability to rotate, following the sun or wind for optimal energy generation. It's equipped with a solar concentrator for hot water production and a telescopic vertical axis wind turbine for electricity. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Carabane can be folded within 30 minutes, hitting the road as a standard caravan. It also boasts home automation features and a unique rotating bubble window with electric control. Combining comfort with sustainability, the Carabane is a game-changer for eco-conscious travelers. The Luxury RR6, the pinnacle of elegance and functionality in equine transportation. This extraordinary horse trailer is designed to cater to the most discerning of equestrians, offering unparalleled comfort and safety for up to 6 horses. Crafted with the finest materials and meticulous attention to detail, the Luxury RR6 boasts spacious stalls, deluxe padding, and climate control to ensure that your horses travel in style and comfort. But it's not just about the horses. The Luxury RR6 also offers luxurious amenities for riders, including a spacious living quarters with sleeping accommodations, a fully equipped kitchen, and a luxurious bathroom. With its sleek design and state-of-the-art features, the Luxury RR6 is the ultimate choice for horse owners who demand nothing but the best. So why settle for ordinary when you can travel in luxury with the Luxury RR6? Embark on your next equestrian adventure in style and comfort with this extraordinary horse trailer. Meet Motorhome, the rare half-boat, half-van hybrid from the 80s. In the expansive world of strange vehicles, there is a model from the 80s that surprises. The Motorhome, which as the name suggests is a half-boat, half-camper van hybrid. The strange invention takes shape as a land vehicle whose rear can be detached to sail across lakes and calm waters, allowing users to travel in all seasons. The Motorhome has been around for several years, with the first one built during the 80s in Idaho, the U.S. Today, only 21 models exist in the world, and no new Motorhome is to be manufactured in the near future. Some of these amphibious vehicles are still in motion and their owners pamper them to keep them running, while others have been forgotten in the back of a garage and delight those who seek to restore them. The world of luxury travel with the Marathon Coach 2024 Prevost Conversion Luxury Motorhome. This top-of-the-line motorhome, priced at around $2.8 million, is a masterpiece of state-of-the-art technology and luxurious accommodations. Built on the unparalleled Prevost H345 and X345 chassis models, each Marathon Coach motorhome is a unique, handcrafted work of art. The 2024 Marathon Coach is the first luxury RV presented on the newly redesigned Prevost H345 bus chassis. It integrates the most desired features from top-of-the-line personal automobiles, making the journey just as wonderful as the destination. So, buckle up and enjoy the ride in this stunning motorhome that redefines luxury travel. Will Smith's two-story trailer, the Anderson Mobile Estate. This isn't your average trailer. It's a full-size semi-trailer that expands into a two-story mobile home with 1,200 square feet of living space. Custom built for Will Smith, this trailer is a testament to luxury and comfort. It boasts granite surfaces worth $125,000, a $200,000 kitchen, and is equipped with 14 televisions. The master bedroom has a convertible bed couch and a desk that transforms into a private makeup station with its own separate entrance. Despite its size, this trailer is fully mobile, requiring a semi-truck to pull it. And if you've got a spare $9,000, you can rent it for a night. Houseboat Classic 180, the epitome of luxury living on the water. This stunning vessel combines timeless design with modern amenities to create the ultimate floating retreat. Step aboard and be greeted by spacious living areas, elegant furnishings, and panoramic views of the water around you. Whether you're entertaining guests in the open-concept kitchen and dining area or relaxing in the plush lounge, every inch of the Houseboat Classic 180 is designed for comfort and style. And when it's time to retire for the night, retreat to one of the luxurious bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom. But the luxury doesn't end there. This houseboat also features a spacious outdoor deck, perfect for soaking up the sun or enjoying a meal al fresco. With its timeless beauty and unmatched comfort, the Houseboat Classic 180 offers a lifestyle like no other. So why wait? Dive into luxury living on the water with the Houseboat Classic 180 today. Cortes 17 Camper, your ticket to adventure, comfort, and freedom on the open road. This compact yet spacious camper is designed to take you wherever your wanderlust leads, with its sleek and aerodynamic exterior ensuring smooth travels. Step inside, and you'll find a thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes space without compromising on comfort. From the cozy sleeping area to the fully equipped kitchenette and modern bathroom facilities, every inch of the Cortes 17 is crafted with your comfort and convenience in mind. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip, this camper has everything you need to make memories that last a lifetime. So pack your bags, hit the road, and let the adventure begin with the Cortes 17 camper by your side. STX VOLVO FH540. Get ready to experience the pinnacle of performance and luxury with the STX VOLVO FH540. This powerhouse of a truck combines Volvo's legendary reliability with STX's expertise in engineering to create a vehicle that redefines the standards of heavy-duty transportation. With its robust 540 horsepower engine and advanced safety features, the FH540 delivers unmatched power and control on the road, whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising through challenging terrain. But it's not just about performance. The FH540 also offers unparalleled comfort and convenience for drivers, with a spacious and ergonomic cabin designed for long-haul journeys. From its cutting-edge technology to its sleek and stylish design, the STX VOLVO FH540 is the ultimate choice for drivers who demand nothing but the best. So why settle for ordinary when you can experience extraordinary? Upgrade to the STX VOLVO FH540 and take your driving experience to the next level. MINK-E Camping, where nature meets innovation for the ultimate outdoor adventure. Our mission is to revolutionize the camping experience by offering state-of-the-art amenities and eco-friendly accommodations without sacrificing the essence of outdoor living. At MINK-E Camping, you'll find a variety of innovative features such as solar-powered tents equipped with Wi-Fi, USB charging ports, and even climate control to ensure your comfort throughout your stay. But that's not all. Immerse yourself in nature with our guided hiking trails, fishing expeditions, and stargazing sessions under the clear night sky. And when it's time to unwind, gather around the campfire for storytelling and s'mores with fellow adventurers. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or new to camping, MINK-E Camping provides an unforgettable experience that combines luxury, sustainability, and the great outdoors. Spooky Camp, where the thrill of the outdoors meets the chill of the supernatural. Nestled deep in the heart of the forest, Spooky Camp offers a one-of-a-kind camping experience for those brave enough to venture into the unknown. From eerie ghost stories around the campfire to spine-tingling nighttime hikes through haunted trails, every moment at Spooky Camp is filled with excitement and suspense. But don't worry, there's plenty of fun to be had during the day too, with thrilling activities like zip-lining through the trees, exploring mysterious caves, and embarking on scavenger hunts for hidden treasures. And when the sun sets, retreat to your cozy cabin or tent if you dare, where you might just encounter some unexpected visitors from the other side. So gather your friends, pack your courage, and join us at Spooky Camp for a camping experience like no other, if you dare. Timbercraft Big Sky, a spacious park model tiny home that measures an impressive 41.4 feet in length and is 9.8 feet wide. Built on the same layout as Timbercraft's popular Denali model, the Big Sky is inspired by Western Montana architecture, offering a rustic, rugged, and beautiful aesthetic. This model feels more like a traditional home, with darker wood features, wooden beams in the living space, modern industrial fixtures, subway tiling in the shower, and an abundance of windows. The trailer is custom fabricated with electric brakes on all axles, a breakaway system, heavy-duty fenders, and light hookups. The floor framing is built into the trailer to lower the overall height. The Big Sky is insulated with 3-inch closed cell spray foam. If you're a fan of the Denali model, you're going to love the Big Sky. It's perfect for those who appreciate the blend of rustic charm and modern amenities in a compact and efficient space. Stay tuned for more details on this incredible tiny home.